Problem 21, we need to find the standard deviation of the data, which is given here, which is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to find the standard deviation, we need to find the mean. The first one is to find the mean. So to find the mean, add all of them and divide by 5 because we have 5 numbers. So we have 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So which gives us 40 by 5, which is 8. Right? Now what is the standard deviation? The standard deviation is given by the expression square root of xi minus x bar, which is the mean, the whole square, divided by n, where n happens to be the number of terms given in the data here. Right? So here I need to find the difference between the term and the mean and take the square of that. So let's do that. So first is 6 minus 8, which is minus 2 the whole square, which is 4. So let me square and write the term directly. Next 7 minus 8, which is minus 1 the whole square, which is plus 1. Next 8 minus 8 is 0. Next 9 minus 8 is 1 square, plus 10 minus 8 is 2 square, which is 4. So I've got xi minus x cap the whole square divided by n, which is 5 the whole root. So here this is 5 plus 5, which is 10 by 5, which gives me root 2. Okay, so the answer is D. So D happens to be the right answer. Okay, so this is a fairly simple problem which can be solved very easily. Make sure that you do like, share and subscribe and go through all the other videos to get the solutions of all the problems of KCET 2020, and thanks for watching.